Everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to go over Pelco, one of the other brands, manufacturers that we carry here at Aerowave. We're going to be looking at some characteristics of the cameras and when this camera is best suited for what applications for different types of clients. So what we'll cover today, we're going to cover Pelco's three main selling points or the main advantages. One is open architecture. They're a budget smart value option, and the Elevate analytics. So there's three types of questions or three types of calls we get pretty much every week when dealing with different types of video surveillance clients. The first one is we already run Milestone or Genetec or iPro, Video Insight. You know, we're not ripping out the software, the VMS to install these cameras. That's a very, very common one. Also, we love the demo, we love the showroom, but the quote is really very high, you know, and out of our budget. And the last one we get is we only care about watching what happens in these two cameras or this camera specifically, not the whole thing. We don't need analytics everywhere, just in key points. So when these questions come about or these situations arise, that is where Pelco becomes, honestly, a very good option to solve these three scenarios. So let's address one by one. The client won't abandon their existing VMS, right? So our guards, an example would be our guards already know Genetec inside and out. We don't want to retrain them. That's a valid point. If someone has had, in this case, Genetec for many, many years, their staff, guards, and everyone revolves around it, right? So pretending you're going to rip and replace becomes a little bit difficult, but that's where Pelco comes in. So Pelco, the biggest selling point of them is that they're open architecture. What this means is that they work with everyone and have over 100 different integrations. That means that you can bring a Pelco camera into any of the major softwares on the market. That could be Genetec, Milestone, Exact, Salient. Right, so you're not forcing or pushing a VMS change. As long as there's ONVIF compliance, then you should be good. And these are true ONVIF compliant cameras, not ONVIF capable. There's a big difference there. They're not proprietary whatsoever. Like I said earlier, there's hundreds of integrations. And it's simply, you have the Pelco Connect plugin, and all of a sudden you can have all these great analytics that I'm going to touch on in just a little second on your current VMS. These are some examples of the integrations that Pelco has that make it very, very, very effective and very user friendly. The second scenario, the client loves the demo and hates the quote, right? We've all been there. Example would be, it looked incredible in the showroom. Then we saw the price for the whole building, right? And they were running away from it and wanted to do something else. So Pelco is, I call it the value sweet spot, right? It's not the budget option, like other brands on the market, but that's a good thing because budget options usually sacrifice compliance, ONVIF in this case, they sacrifice features, and they sacrifice quality, right, and warranty. Then the premium options, you know, the premium enterprise solutions, you have the top tier like analytics that maybe you might not need. You have the best site-wide ecosystem integrated solutions, and maybe something, you know, you're not looking for, right? Obviously, these come with a premium price tag. So Pelco kind of fits in the middle, right? That sweet spot, right? You have great quality cameras manufactured by Motorola Solutions as well. And they have true wide dynamic range and adaptive IR, something that the budget cameras sometimes don't have. They are reliable, again, made by a fantastic manufacturer. And price tag there, they fit kind of right in the middle, right? So they do fit that sweet spot. So third scenario, the client wants smart analytics on one camera. Now, this is pretty big because, you know, we've all seen these awesome analytics, facial recognition, visual firearm detection, and so on. And maybe you don't want to just switch out the whole platform, the VMS, or have it be across, many cameras. You just need it on specific points. So this is where Pelco comes in once again. So the answer to this is Pelco's Elevate. So Pelco Elevate is Pelco's analytics feature. It is a per camera subscription-based cloud platform that pretty much adds analytics to any specific Pelco camera that you want. In this scenario, we have 4 different cameras. You only need analytics on one, and you don't want to switch out VMS. You don't want to buy an analytics appliance, an analytics server, or add on to your existing infrastructure. And Pelco Elevate is a fantastic option. Again, it's a per camera subscription, right? And it comes with a camera dashboard, obviously site health reports, on-VIF notifications of any kind, visual firearm detection, VFD, and a very cool thing that's unique to Pelco, PPE, or personal protection equipment detection. So, for example, if you work at a warehouse, manufacturing, and you are required to wear hard hats or specific uniforms, these analytics will work and alert you when someone is or isn't using the equipment. So, where is Pelco the right camera? Right? What scenarios does Pelco fit in? Again, budget-conscious commercial, retail, small offices, warehouses. Ideal for that. These locations usually have a starter VMS or a starter system, and then you want to add to it. This is perfect for that. Lighting challenge sites, low light. Again, Pelco has very high quality cameras. So entrances, lots, loading docks, etc. All these come with WIR and infrared, WIR, excuse me. Again, existing VMS environments, pretty self-explanatory. Phased analytic rollout. You want to start with one camera with analytics. You add 2, 3, 4, and eventually, could you switch and migrate to a whole ecosystem? Yes, you could, but it's never. It's always an option, right? So if you want to just keep 7 cameras on analytics and that's it, that's the easiest way to do it. And then keep in mind, you don't have to add a server or an analytic appliance that will process said analytics. Everything is done through the cloud. Everything is highly encrypted as well. So reliable first client, great for that as well. So churches, schools, municipal buildings, fantastic option for there. And like I said, being on with compliant, extremely high quality, while they're long-term, drama-less installations and products. So we had 3 problems at the beginning, and Pelco addresses them with 3 solutions. Swapping VNFs is not an option, no problem. Pelco is open platform, on with compliant architecture. So you're good there. Second, the premium quote is too high. Okay, maybe you don't need all premium features. Maybe you're looking for some, and you don't want to cross-site swap or need necessarily a fully integrated ecosystem with cameras, access control, radios, vape detectors. You don't need that. You just need critical analytics on critical areas. Pelco is the way to Pelco is the way to do it, both under per camera analytics subscription, which is Elevate. And no, the price tag of this is significantly lower than your premium option as well, without sacrificing quality or options. Lastly, specialty cameras. The X-Sight camera line. These are unique to Pelco. Out of all the brands that Motorola carries, so we have your rugged PTZ, your maritime corrosion-resistant cameras, extreme temperature cameras, explosion-proof, etc. These are unique to Pelco, so these are great options for those, hardcore manufacturing areas, oil and gas, etc. Any questions? Let's open the floor to any